So here's a radio David sent me, this one, 350 Charlie. I thought the Jackson drive in front here could be bad. It turns out it's not. So there's a couple little screws in here that will tighten. We take off the knob, take off this little silver knob. There's 2 screws that hold the shaft or output of the old Jackson drive to the, let me find the Jackson drive I threw out in the wastebasket here if I can find it. If no one threw it out yet. Looks like it's already gone. Anyway, there's 2 screws here that you access through a hole. And so I tighten those with this screwdriver and a pair of pliers just because this screwdriver is a little too thick to get those. And that's all it was. Those seemed tight, but they weren't. So I gave them a real good tightening. And now I don't have any slippage when I turn this thing. It simply turns, it doesn't slip, which is good. I squirted a bit of WD-40 in the shaft here to kind of loosen up the fast shaft, I'll call it, and it seems like now it's working really well. I'll take it. So again, here's 20 meters, and
Charlie, I think you will new contact X-ray echo 2, my Charlie, new time, no? Echo 2, Mike Charlie, 59. No, Europe number 2, my Charlie, correct? X-ray echo 2, Mike Charlie, you about my friend, eh? I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
sounds like the microphone is intermittent. KB3 whiskey. So it looks like I still got a relay problem because the meter doesn't come up. Let's see. Yeah, you never get off easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. For the heck of it, let's try this thing again for receiving. 15 meters. Now that I can tune it well. There's FT8. Once it tunes well, I'm game. Or it has good mechanical movement. Nobody on 15 really? 10? This thing has great gain on 10. So there's always people around 28.4. See what I mean? Not this time. FT8. FT8 would be roughly what here? No FT8. 20 meters or 40 meters. Lots of FT8. It's not even late yet. Oh, it's 6 p.m. AM people. Okay, so does that mean that 80's working okay? Let's see.
67, about 6.
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, it's supposed to.
38.95
I got the microphone and started talking.
AM.
Anyway, back over your way, Jim. KE5Q and 5TSL. And by the way, I think we reduced my power. I'm sure we could use copy. I'm not sure we've already getting into this, but maybe.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Bob, we're going crazy.
At any rate, this radio is a winner chicken dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.